Tired of making your customers jump through hoops just to message you on WhatsApp? Today, I'll show you how to create a direct WhatsApp chat link for your Wati number in under 90 seconds, making it incredibly easy for customers to connect with your business. First, log into your Wati account. This is where all the magic happens. Next, locate the API Docs section usually found in the Settings or Integrations area of your dashboard. Click on it. You'll now be on the Wati API documentation page. Don't get intimidated by the technical jargon. Scroll down until you find the section that explains how to generate a WhatsApp chat link. Look for titles like Create Chat Link or Generate WhatsApp URL. Pay close attention to the base URL structure provided. It usually starts with something like WAME or API and includes a parameter for your phone number. Now, replace the placeholder phone number in the example URL with your actual Wati phone number. Make sure you include the country code without any plus signs or spaces. For example, 1 for the US, 44 for the UK. Once you've updated the URL with your Wati number, copy the entire link. This is your direct WhatsApp chat link. You can now paste this link anywhere you want on your website, social media profiles, email signatures, or even in your marketing campaigns. When clicked, this link will instantly open a WhatsApp chat window with your Wati number, allowing customers to start a conversation immediately. And that's it, a simple way to streamline communication and provide a better customer experience. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more Wati tips and tricks.